some miles on it. Back of the Chevy with the end.
Brisbane, the river city, where sunshine, adventure and laid-back lifestyle all come together. But for some, there's one thing this Queensland capital is famous for, and one thing only. Yep, Brisbane is the home of Bluey, which has become one of the most watched TV shows in not only Australia, but the world. And right now, Brisbane's gone wackadoo for the blue healer and her family.
Bluey's world! Bluey's world! Do you see it?
If you or your kiddos have ever wanted to step inside her world, well, now you can. And let me tell you, my girls cannot wait.
Here we are.
Welcome to Bluey's world.
Run!
4,000 square metres of fun on the banks of the Brisbane River at Hamilton.
Do you want to go inside Bluey?
1, 2, 3,
For the first time ever, you're invited into the iconic Healer home as you're guided through a one-of-a-kind interactive experience.
Welcome to Bluey and Bingo's lounge room. How exciting! Wow! Oh my goodness, we're really in their living room.
Real-life sets, recognisable scenes and beloved characters and games bring a world of fun and imagination to life.
Check out the cupboard.
It's so interactive.
Come follow now.
The immersive 60-minute guided experience ventures through the entire Healer home on a quest to find Bluey and Bingo.
Wow! This is amazing!
Every detail is straight from the show, so you really feel like you've stepped into an episode.
It's going to be the best day ever!
It's no wonder people have travelled from across the globe to experience this.
Even in the first week, we had people flying from all over the world because we have Bluey super fans. Because a lot of people have seen the episodes 20 times, 30 times.
Yes.
It's been totally overwhelming.
Bluey has captured the hearts of millions. In fact, the show was the most streamed series in America last year, with nearly 56 billion minutes watched. And just like the show, Bluey's world is not only for the kids.
From the moment you arrive,
Yes,
you get to wear an ear.
yes.
And the adults have to wear ears as well. Because it's an immersive experience. We want you to be present with your family, and you as an adult are a part of the experience. So there's no photography, because otherwise we'd be walking around taking photos all the time. We want you to live the moment and to remember the moment.
I love that. There's a Bluey episode about that. Get off the phone, Dad.
Yeah.
Yes, and that's exactly what this feels like.
Absolutely.
Well, we're in Bluey and Bingo's backyard. What do you think is their favourite game? Yeah, that was Keep Me Uppy. This is what Bluey is all about. Bringing families together and reminding parents and kids alike to cherish the simple, joyful moments of childhood. Miller, what do you love about Bluey's world?
When I play Kippy Uppy.
Yeah, Keep Me Up is so fun. Dad, what do you love about here?
Wow, it's amazing what they've done. It feels like I'm in a cartoon.
I know, it's so
Crazy.
Oh my goodness! Look at it!
It's Bluey and Bingo. They're frozen. 1, 2, 3,
While we've been given an exclusive sneak peek, we have saved some rooms and surprises for your visit.
This is amazing! Oh my goodness, this is the most special experience for kids. And I'm so excited I could cry.
And when the tour's over, never fear. You can spend as much time as you like exploring the neighbourhood, complete with Bluey and Bingo's favourite playground, Alfie's gift shop, and Golden Crown takeaway to fill those hungry tummies.
Look at the pizza, guys. Oh.
With little details straight from the show to fun, interactive moments. There's something to discover around every corner.
For kids and families alike, this is a dream come true. Your kids are really going to feel like they're inside the Healer House. You know what? It's Bluey's world. We're just living in it. And I can guarantee you one thing, the kids are going to sleep really well tonight.